Immaculate 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 2-car garage home with an office close to Jack Elementary. This home is convenient to everything South Tyler. This open floor plan with arched openings is warm and inviting, creating a perfect space for entertaining or everyday living. The kitchen with dining area is equipped with granite countertops, stainless appliances, pantry, glass front cabinetry, and island with seating, and is connected to the living area with gas fireplace and stone surround. Great windows too. The split master with recessed tray ceiling is a perfect retreat with ensuite bath appointed with double vanity, separate tub and shower, and generous walk-in closet. 2 guest rooms share a full hall bath and provide ample space for family or guests. Enclosed with French doors and stylish wood floors is the office, perfect for working from home. The interior is complete with a utility room and organizational mud space. Enjoy the fully fenced and freshly landscaped backyard from the covered back porch, outdoor living at its best. Special financing available. Come see. Come buy.